The PNP only argue about how the pie share up, how the cake cut up. But they don't know how to make the pie grow bigger.
We love to chat with one another in social media too much. If you are going to say something that does not take the People's National Party one step further to going to Jamaica House, keep on your mouth and shut up.
You serious? Blessed morning, blessed morning, blessed morning. My viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Big Voice Radio in the building. Yo, it's a blessed day. Yo, I hope everybody is in good spirit. And may I tell you, 2025, we are grow together. Seeing? And an idea, I'm going to talk about my favorite topic, politics. Yo, remember me tell you, whole heap of people reach out and I give them opinions and ideas and everything. So we have to just understand, so we keep the thing respectful and we just know, say, everybody have them own opinions. See? So even though if you are PNP, JLP, Andrew Holness, Mark Golding, it no matter. Respect due to everybody on this platform. See? So you come, you have your own opinion, and we are going to learn together. So today, you don't know why I miss this. It's going to be spicy. Remember me tell you no. Do not go nowhere. Click the like button, click the subscribe button, and come back in my office. Soon come back, come talk to you. Take in the intro, you don't know a thing go. Boom!
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
Alright, my viewers and my subscribers, welcome back. Again, thanks for the subscribing, for liking, sharing, and yo, all of we there, all of we are Jamaican, all of we are try to get a better way in every way. See, so me dip on my way right now, I'll go up on a work. But me say boy, me happy talk about this because me see some things last night we are gone. Cause you don't know, say no. This year at the election for Jamaica. So you don't know Andrew Holness prepare himself for the third term. See? And you don't know Mark Golding come in and I try to get him first term. So you know, say boy, is a push on a lot of people. Alright, let me say this. Full disclaimer before me start drive, because I'm going to start drive now. Because I'm going to work. See? 9 to 5. Big up every 9 to 5 worker. Everybody. Alright. Let me say this. Full disclaimer again. I am an independent person. I am not affiliated with no party. I am not PNP. I am not JLP. I am right in the middle, waiting to decide who am I voting for. So that is my whole topic. So some people get it twisted and get it wrong, you know. Then we think, say, okay, yeah, me a PNP, or okay, me a JLP. No, me no vote. Me independent. Me a think anybody give me the reason to vote, me a go vote. An idea, me have a little like for the one here. Yeah, me have a little like for the one there. I am not decided as yet. I am an undecided voter. Just like whole heap of people at Jamaica. Believe it or not, me I go show I think the stats. Actually, over 50% of people are undecided voters. That means that them independent, they're not sure who them a vote for. 43 or 45% know who them a vote for already. So those are die-hearted people. Them know who them a vote for. So you have to understand, say me, when me talk about this, me not come off like me talk bad about JLP or talk bad about PNP. Me talk about what me see with my eye them. what me a live, what me a see, what me a hear. Seen? So I any idea, I want to understand and don't get it twisted. I am an independent person, undecided voter. Seen? Yeah, but me have to talk about where me a see in my parish and where me come from. So I an idea that out of the way, me just want to make that clear, because dieted people who are dieted Labour right or dieted PNP, them not change. And when you put a gun at them head, they must say fire it because they not change. I just saw them stay, they not change. And that is okay. Everybody is welcome because everybody want to learn. But I any idea, me not try change nobody where they are dieted. Me try tell people, open your eye them and look and see who I do things in your district, in your parish, in your community, and in the country. Anybody you feel like deserve it, vote for them. That's all me I say. That's all me I say. So I any idea, we just want to get that full disclaimer out of the way. I am not PNP, I am not JLP. I'm watching, and me I go decide who me I vote for based on results where me I see in my place. So if you come from Kingston and me come from Clarendon, you come from Kingston, you have water in your house, you have good road, you have good light. Up at Clarendon where me come from, we don't have no good water, we don't have no good road, we don't have no good light. Work still a going on in man. Great Capone upon it. Yeah man. Light in the building, Ghana United. So me have to talk about that. That's all me I say. Because if you hungry and my belly full, me can know how you feel because you hungry and my belly full. So me have to understand say yo, you hungry and my belly full. So when you are tell me say or tell other people say yo, me hungry, people need to listen to you and empathize because you're hungry.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
Same thing. So, not because you have good road and me have bad road. And because you have good road now, me if you just say yes, give thanks because the person they have good road. My road bad. Because you have food in your plate. And me not have food in my plate. Because you have food in your plate. Me not say nothing. No, me want food too. And that some people need to understand and stop the ignorance and the foolishness. That's all me I say. And the same goes for politics. If you are Labour right, and me a PNP, or you a PNP and me a Labour right, whatever it is, where you come from, who are help you, vote for them. That's all me I say. All me I say. Alright, so me I come back to you. Remember me tell you, it's an interesting topic. Me I go post some videos, yo. Me I tell you the people them ready. The people them ready for the election. Some people say July, some people say August, some people say September. Make we see. But all me know say, it a go be a rough ride and it a boil down. So, viewers and subscribers, everybody is welcome. Everybody share them opinion and we are going to get together and do it thing the right way.
The PNP only argue about how the pie share up, how the cake cut up. But they don't know how to make the pie grow bigger. They don't come to you on the platform and tell you how they are going to create an economy for Portland for which you can benefit and your life can change. They don't give you a vision for the future that shows you how you are going to be better off. They don't come to you and tell you how they're going to use the natural assets that you have to create wealth for you. They don't tell you that. All they come and do is talk about me and tell lie upon me and tell all kind of lie. But they have no plan.
We love to chat with one another in social media too much. If you are going to say something that does not take the People's National Party one step further to going to Jamaica House, keep on your mouth and shut up.
All right. So, As me I say, viewers and subscribers, yo, the whole of we in this, and the whole of we want better for the country. See? So, when we talk about certain things, don't take it personal. And when anybody talk about certain things, don't take it personal. Just know say everybody have their own opinion. So don't try push down something in our next person's throat. Let me give you an example. Let me give you an analogy, right? If you have, you may talk now. If you have two dogs, you have two dogs in your yard, and you only feed one. Only one of them you feed. The one where you feed fat and nice, look good. But the one where you not feed, oh my God, man. Maga like, may I tell you, be a bone you can sit you in body. So you feed one and you not feed one. So when you look on that now, you say wait. People say, but oh, when I dog fat and one maga so because you feed one. So now, what you expect from the dog when not get no food? Him not gonna just lay down and say, wait, everything good here, man, because the other dog I get food. So me feel just stand that same way. How the hell the dog will feel good in himself, knowing said that dog over there so I get feed now, him now get none. There's no way. Another analogy again. If you have two pitney, you have two children, right? And you love one. You love one of pitney more than one. Alright. Say for example now you feed one of pitney and you send one guy to school and you make sure say he get educated. The other one now you neglect. You beat. You abuse. You not treat him like how you treat the other one. What you expect the one will be will not get no good care and not get abused? What you expect that child is going to be vicious because the pitney has to say, yo, I just one pitney you care about. You don't care about me. See? Oh, you don't care about me. Me a human being. So you expect now that pitney way when not get no feeding, fi thank God. And fi just sit down and just take it so. No. In a word that way, that pitney need food, that pitney need to go to school, that pitney need something just like the other one. So, it's the same analogy goes to politics. JLP or PNP. If me come from Clarendon, and you come from Kingston, and everything in your place, nice. You have water, you have light, you have good road. You don't know none of them. You know everything that's good. Everything is going on well for you. See? Everything is perfect. You have running water. You have light. You have good road. You come from Kingston. Me come from Clarendon. And then now me has to say, yo, where me come from, the road bad. We don't have good water system. We don't have good lighting condition. What you expect me to do? Because you are Kingston now, you have everything for yourself. You don't have to complain. But because me not have nothing now, me complain about things where we need in the community. Me fi just shut up my mouth because Kingston have it. Kingston have good road. Kingston have good light. Kingston have good water. So you are Clarendon when you have no water, when you have no road, when you have no light, you fi just build back and take it easy because everything good at Kingston. How disingenuous that sound. How ridiculous that sound. That is total lunacy. Ignorance at its fullest. That are how a lot of people sound. When you tell them, when you talk as a person in your community, and because a freedom party, whether JP or PNP, a freedom party in control, and when you talk certain things, them feel like you attack them prime minister or the MP. People are so dumb to see the logics in it. If me have water, and me have light, and me have good road, what me a complain about? Me not gonna complain. Alright, just like me now. Whole heap of people not have a job. Right? Me have a 9 to 5 job. I'm a grateful for it. So now me I gotta work every day and me I get paid every 2 weeks or every month, right? So me can take care of myself and take care of my family, right? This person over here so now, we call him John. Him now no work, nothing now go on for him. He might put in application, he might try this, he might try that. Nothing now go on for him. He not work. So he doesn't have a steady income. So him can't get fit, send him picnic go to school, him can't get fit do what him want do. Now, when John a complain now, say boy, nobody now hire him or nothing at all. Well, me have to understand, say, yo, listen, John, no, that's supposed to rough, you know, yo. Because me know, say, me have a 9 to 5 and my 9 to 5 can make me provide for my family and take care of myself, but John not have that. So I'm going to empathize with him and say me can help him out. So me can find some resources so he can get employed. See him? So that is just an analogy of how people should look at politics, JLP and PNP. When people in a them community or district attack what them want what them want in a them community. So they not no water, they not no light, they not no road, they go talk. But hypocritical people, the full and blunt hypocrisy from some people, we have road, we have light, we have water every day. They don't know nothing about lack of water or bad road. Them good. Okay, cool. Empathize with the people them when you have it and listen to them instead of talking about, oh, talk about the good thing them. What do you mean talk about the good thing them? Me want water and me want light and me want road. What kind of good thing you talk about? Shut your mouth and listen to the people them where talk what them want. For them community, for them parish, for them country. Of course we are going to acknowledge, say everything now going to get fixed at once. And the Prime Minister or whoever were in charge, they might do them best. Okay, cool. That should not keep the people them who want things fill up them mouth. No. If you have a house and me have a house, and then now me look and see politician come and I give one house every time, and my house now get done, if you just lock me out because everything good because my neighbor get it. No. That's why you have to do things for the community where you go benefit everybody. So you will come from Kingston or Portmore or wherever you come from, and you have everything where you want. We will come from Clarendon or Manchester or St. Thomas or wherever you come from. People are free to talk what is going on in them community. What the hell is wrong with people? When people are talk, Reggie, and don't listen. And I saw the politician they need to do listen to the people them cry and then try to solve it. That's how you're gonna win people like me and other independent person. Because over 50% of people don't know who them vote for. So that's what they need to do. Try win over the people them were independent. Have a 50-50 chance of Labour Right or PNP. Mark Golden or Andrew Holness. Alright, so next thing we want to talk about. Me see a whole heap of artists, a whole heap of entertainer aside with PNP.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
Alright, Chando, me give thanks, me live for see the age. Give thanks in the never days, give thanks in the never last days. Chando, me vex me friend, them don't live for see the age. Give thanks in the never. Oh, remember this? Do them slow, watch out. Shall make him thunder rolling on it. Yeah, on the pagan stem, drop down.
You serious? Me see whole heap of artists, Virgin. And me I say, wait, that was really a go on here, so. Because PNP are going to try pull all of them strings, you know. Forget everybody who them can get. Because when you get a Cartel, when you get a Buju Banton, when you get a Popcorn, when you get a Shano, they might try to get influencers to influence people, especially younger people, to come aboard. That show me say, they might try hard because Andrew Holness is that guy. Andrew Holness is that powerful. So, you don't really see no influencer aside with Labour, right? PNP I get everybody. But that no means that them are going to win. That no means that them are going to win. And again, I am talking as an independent person. But me I look and me I say, wait. Cartel, Popcorn, Buju Banton, Chronic Law, and whole heap of artists me see. So, that show me say, Bro God is that guy. Because now them have to get, PNP have to get everybody who them can get. See? So, it shows say them have work cut out for them. So to me, right now, Bro God and the Labour right, them favoured for win. To how me I see. But PNP are try everything with them can do.
The PNP held its 86th annual conference yesterday, drawing a huge crowd. Artist Vybz Kartel, recently freed after his case was overturned, was there. His appearance caused a stir, with some believing he was there to attract young voters to PNP. Kartel's influence might sway undecided voters, but convincing JLP supporters may be harder. While Kartel got most of the attention, PNP leader Mark Golding made important promises. He pledged to restore the NHT's focus on affordable housing, stop the use of its funds for other purposes, and make more land available for NHT contributors to build homes. Golding also announced a housing program named after former Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller. Though Golding's plans matter, Kartel's presence has overshadowed them.
If you remember, you know, in a Trump and Kamala Harris, the US election, Trump not really get no entertainer. Not nobody have significant to come endorse him thing. Kamala Harris get Cardi B, Taylor Swift, Megan Thee Stallion, so much entertainer she get, and she still lose.
Be here in Nevada campaigning. Kamala Harris, our very freedoms are on the line in this election. So come on, everybody, let's get loud.
Get out there. Your vote is your power. It is your voice. Please go to iwillvote.com. Let's get this done.
So, that's sure. Say people are look and people want what them want. Kamala still lose and Trump win. So this not sure. Say even though Mark Golding do this with the entertainer and everybody if come aboard, it is good. But that no mean say you are going to win. That's all me I say. So me I go post some video yo. I want the whole of you enjoy the video. Don't miss. Don't skip a beat. Remember me tell you now. When I go learn something, man, me just get started. Hey, calm on yourself, man. Just like, share, comment, and subscribe. And keep it respectful. Everybody has to have their own opinion. Big up on yourself. One love, enough love, and enough respect. Big Voice Radio in the building. Now go to work right now. Go look some money, car. Yo, food have to eat. Picnic have to feed. Big up on yourself.
There's a growing standoff between Jamaica's Prime Minister Andrew Holness and anti-corruption agency, the Integrity Commission. This after the Prime Minister says he feels targeted by the entity. Now, this latest incident stems from a report that was tabled in Jamaica's Parliament this week, in which the Integrity Commission alleges that the Prime Minister is linked to a housing development in Beverly Hills, which has breaches. The Prime Minister has since rebuffed their claims, but says he feels they are trying to ruin his reputation. In the meantime, Information Minister Dana Morris Dixon, at a post-cabinet media briefing on Wednesday, in responding to journalists, says that the cabinet stands behind Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
Prime Minister's statement was very clear. He said many things. He thought that this was a transparent attempt at attacking his character.
labor rights.
Top your body, let's see a top your body. Round below, and them can't buy your bed.
Labor rights.
With them friend things, we no frightened people, we're not telling.
We love to chat with one another in social media too much. If you are going to say something that does not take the People's National Party one step further to going to Jamaica House, keep on your mouth and shut up.
And we can say to them, we are not going to allow you to clone Jamaica. If they want somebody to clone, or if they want to play clone, we heard that the Suarez brothers are now in Jamaica. So we encourage them to go and sign up and leave governance to a serious and fully active Jamaica Labour Party. Labour rights. They had the opportunity to move Jamaica forward. And what did they do? What did they give to us? One piece of pasta.
You serious?
Tell her it's a case of emergency. There's a patient by the name